who's ever in charge, either the administrator or the bus driver, will begin the drill. It's important that the students take their belongings with them, as they won't be getting back on the bus. So we usually instruct the children to grab their backpacks, place it in the front of them. The bus will be opened from the back of the bus using the emergency door in the back, and the students will get off from back to front. And they will get off the bus by sitting down and sliding off the back of the bus. Of course, there will be someone waiting on the other side, helping them to get off the bus. As the students exit the bus with the help of the administrators, they will be directed by the administrators to enter the school. Then finally, the bus driver will walk through the back, check all the seats, make sure that all the students have been released from the bus or exited the bus, and that completes the drill.